Hello and welcome back to another HTML5 tutorial by wizardtutorial.com, and today we're going to talk about the HTML5 abbreviation tag. Prior to HTML5 there was an abbreviation and an acronym tag. Two separate tags, I should say, an abbreviation and an acronym tag. And when HTML5 came along, they did away with the acronym tag, so now the abbreviation tag covers acronyms and abbreviations. The abbreviation tag gives us the ability to indicate to browsers, screen readers, and search engines that we're using an abbreviation. This is pretty important to screen readers themselves so they can better relay the content. Also, search engines, they have gotten smarter over the years and are able to read our content. For example, if you have a blog post and you're using a bunch of acronyms or abbreviations in there, this indicates to the search engine, hey, I'm not misspelling words and my content makes sense, it's just I'm using abbreviations. So with that being said, let's take a look at the syntax of the abbreviation, which is ABBR, opening caret, ABBR, closing caret. To close it out, we do opening caret, backslash, ABBR, closing caret. That's the syntax. Pretty simple, right? So we can put HTML in here. Alright. So that was saying this is a abbreviation or an acronym right here. Alright. But, you know, that really just indicates that that's what it is. It's you know, an abbreviation or an acronym. But there's an attribute that we have seen before called title, and title better explains the word. So if you're going for like SEO type stuff, this would also help by saying we can throw a keyword in here. Say I wanted to abbreviate HTML because I was using hypertext markup language way too much in my document, so I was like, let me just start abbreviating it. But I can still squeeze that keyword in there. So I can still say hypertext markup language. And this is, you know, not going to penalize you for overusing a keyword for keyword stuffing. This is a white hat process here. So if you're using abbreviations, I suggest that you use the title every time. It's not required, but I suggest you use it every time. So let's take a look at something here. There's a few browsers that will display this differently. So first thing I'm going to show you is Google Chrome. When my screen comes over, there we go. When I hover this, it does nothing, okay? It just says HTML. Alright, so the abbreviation does nothing on this browser for me, for Google Chrome. Now, Firefox does something for me. If I come over here and I hover over HTML, this little pop-up window comes up and says hypertext markup language. So that's where it's getting its information. It's displaying HTML, but it's getting its information from the title here saying hypertext markup language. So if you're using Firefox or Opera, you will have this pop-up window. It only works in Firefox and Opera. Now, we can get the same feature on other browsers by adding some CSS and a little bit of other code, but we'll get it figured out and we'll discuss this in a later tutorial. Now for Chrome, Internet Explorer, I don't know about Internet Explorer, the new one that came out. I don't even know what it's called for Windows 10. I don't know if that has the feature, and Safari, they don't support this this feature. So if you have any questions about the abbreviation tag with in HTML5, leave a comment on YouTube or on our website at wizardtutorial.com, and we'll see you in the next one.